We know that this year hundreds will die, thousands will be seriously injured, yet we are helpless. We can't save our own children. Young drivers are still at risk. Startling facts are that each year about 350 young Australians aged between 17 and 25 die on our roads. Another 5,500 are seriously injured. During their first few months, new drivers die at 4 times the rate of experienced drivers. Every week, another family has to confront this awful reality.
I don't want to die.
Neither do I.
What is it about our young people that makes them more likely to die on our roads?
Purely and simply, a lack of education. We seem to have this mentality, 3 to 5 one-hour lessons is enough to teach them to do the most complex activity they'll undertake for the rest of their life.
This is yet another one of those roadside memorials we see all over Australia. And so many of them are dedications to teenagers, just like this one, who have been lost on our roads.
Just think like we'll never see our kids and we can always grow up together.
We always had like dreams like
Yeah,
they were
bridesmaids
going to be
of
each other's
each other.
bridesmaids and
Travelling around the world together.
yeah.
But you're all convinced that if any good has come out of this, you'll all be better drivers.
Definitely. More aware of everything.
There's always a consequence.